In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light switch on your Chevy Cruze. It's located underneath your dash on the driver's side on your brake pedal. To begin, we're going to disconnect this connector. To do that, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and unlock this red tab. Pull the red tab, remove the connector, set it aside. Use a 7mm socket and remove the bolt. It's pretty easy to come out once you get it loose. Here's the screw. Now we're going to pull this out. Like that. The screw came from here. And this is the guide. Let's put this in. Hook it onto that. Line up that guide with the bracket. If you need to, you can move the brake pedal. Once you get your guide in, you're going to find the hole in the back by feel. Now we're going to put our bolt in. We're going to find the hole and put it in by hand. And at the last few threads, you're going to tighten it with the ratchet. Now we're going to tighten it up. Do not over tighten. That should be good. And then we're going to plug it in. Make sure your red tab is still in the unlock position. Slide it on. Make sure you hit that click and push the red tab. After you're done, you're going to have someone go in the car, hit the brake pedal, and make sure the brake lights work.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.